Hey Realness crew and visitors, it is RCRrealness back at it again with another YouTube video. Today, if you guys want to see a lower body workout that could probably help you get the body of your dream, go ahead, stay tuned, and keep watching.
RCRealness. Oh yeah.
Welcome to the
RCRealness.
show.
Like that. RCRealness. Oh yeah.
Enjoy the show! I used to skip warming up, but then I realized how much warming up was important. First thing we're gonna do is start off with a warm up. When I first was starting my fitness journey, I would always breeze through my warm up, but now I really take my time. And as you can see, this is a little bit more sped up. Usually I would take 5 minutes to get myself acclimated and ready to work out. I'm gonna start light and then I'm gonna go so I can make sure I build. Let's do 40. For my first set, I did 14. I'll go up 10. I first started off with 40 to start off. Then I did 10 more, like 55. This is the seated leg curls. Next, over there, start at 45. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 sets of this. I'm going to do 45, 65, and then I'm going to do 65, add additional reps. So we're going to do like this. And then we're going to do left foot first, like so. Do your right foot. I'm dying. I'm on this machine here, the leg press. So we're gonna start at 85 and then we're gonna work our way up to 115. If it's too light, then I'll increase more. On this machine, there's variations that you can do. Start it out on the outward, and you're gonna be doing like this first, outward, and then you're gonna move your weight in more, like this. Then you're gonna do it together. And then calf raises. I am a little rusty, but let's see how this goes. I did 115, and I did 130. Next is going to be 145. Then I will be done with this machine here. Now I am at the bone leg curl. After all these workouts I already did, I am going to my cardio now and get food. My legs are already sore. I feel like if I overdid it even more, I would be in more pain. And I'm gonna get myself back to where I was before. Okay. We're gonna do the incline of 12. Let's do the speed of 3. And let's go. So I just finished on the treadmill. I'm done with my workout. I did like 35 minutes. My feet hurt like hell. Okay, first day back, like really trying to be consistent. No complaints. I feel better. Like I feel like I'm getting warmed up to me being more active, and I'm kind of happy with it. Now I remember why I liked working out. Was it hard? Yeah, of course it was hard, but it felt good because I accomplished something for the day, and I accomplished fasting, not eating and breaking my diet before it was a time.
RCRealness, you made it through the show. RCRealness, subscribe to get more.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.